Today we're gonna be today we're gonna be talking about my dog. Right, okay. Okay, why would you do that? You don't leave. I need to talk about you. I need to stretch. I won't let you, Mom. So I'm gonna take off that. Fold it. Yeah, I'll fold it. I'm supposed to fold it. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. It's called a towel. My bad. So we're gonna put this right. Wait, no! Come on. So I got my dog. With me. Let's go to my brother's room. Go. Let's go to my mom. Let's go to my mom's room. Oh my God, Mom was gonna be so mad at me if she sees this. Oh damn. Oh shit, now you have to actually be quiet. See, you have to subscribe to my channel if you want these Pokemons. Boy. Get up. These are my lucky ones. I don't know why. Bam. Bam. Fake. It's going down for tuna. So that's a tour of my room. Still, comment down below and subscribe if you want that. If you want that Pokemon monster. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff. Comment down below, or just go on my shop. It's called LeoniLopezMTL.com. Read the description. Comment down below. I'm poor. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Yo. Come here. We're talking about you today. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Come on. Come on. I'm down. Yeah. But you're so cute. But you're so cute. You're so cute. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yes. Got all these. And comment down below if you like magnets. I got cool ones. Batman. Suicide Squad. The magnet. But I like it because it actually has the magnet. It's a magnet. I smell fear on you. I don't give away food. Or should I say, I don't give a fuck. Damn, I don't give a fuck. There are two types of people in the world, and I don't like them. Comment down below, what do you think the joke is? I don't get it either. Like, and she can do it. So this one I got for Halloween. Just good, like. So, he's a zombie to human. Zombie, human. Zombie, human. Zombie, human. Zombie, human. Zombie, human. Zombie, human. Okay. That one, 100. Miss Piggy, the original Diva comic mix VO1. Yeah. And then we got Rainbow. The other ones, well, the other ones has bad words. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't want to show you that, but I'm so sorry. So right now, we're gonna make a sandwich. I had two burritos in the last video. I'm gonna have a sandwich. Trust me, I haven't eaten all day. Actually, I'm gonna have some soda. So huge. See? We had tacos. Taco Bell. Dong. So, Wait, I'm telling. Wait. Oh wait, I'm telling putting some weight. Where the hell I teleport? To the living room? Why the living room?